Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the first actionable checks. Verify power connections and that the PSU meets the GPU wattage. This prevents intermittent failures. Once done, boot into safe mode or a driver-free environment to separate hardware from software causes. Make sure to capture symptoms, artifact types, crash timing, and temperature readings so you can compare results after each step. This focused start reduces guesswork and sets up the controlled tests you will run next. You now run targeted tests and perform medium complexity fixes. Start a short stress test while watching temps and clock stability to reveal thermal or silicon faults. Next, power down and carefully reseat the card, try another PCIe slot, and swap in a known good cable to rule out connectors. Then make driver changes. Clean with install the latest certified driver, or roll back if issues began after an update. These steps diagnose whether the GPU or its ecosystem is failing. You finish by isolating remaining failure modes and applying final remedies. If possible, test the GPU in a different known good system. This confirms whether the card itself is defective. If hardware faults persist, prepare for RMA. Document all tests, temperatures, error patterns, and the serial number to speed claims. If problems are intermittent and RMA is not immediate, reduce power or clock via software and continue monitoring. Tip: if uncertainty remains, swapping systems is the single best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.